So when we look at a portfolio level, I think one of the big mistakes is customers focus on the technical side of asset management, and they're quite proficient with that. So keeping their portfolio of assets running, keeping the uptime high, and also keeping them compliant is a key prerogative for customers, and they become very proficient in doing that. So with a lot of customers, we see the plants are running, they are quite reliable, and they maintain pretty well, and they're also compliant. Where the mistake comes in is with total life cycle cost. Customers, because they are so focused on uptime and compliance, they forget to think of the total life cycle cost. And with the energy market in South Africa on the trajectory that it is right now, and the price that's increasing day by day, energy becomes a very important topic to discuss at boardroom level. And the only way that you can look at the total life cycle cost of an asset is really to include the energy aspect. And in some cases, the energy is about 60 to 65% of the total life cycle cost of an energy asset. So if you don't have all the metrics that you need to properly manage the energy consumption of those assets and manage the energy efficiency, then you're losing out on the biggest portion of the total life cycle cost that you have at your disposal or that you can control. So we see that as a big mistake that a lot of customers make. They don't always have all of the required information to properly manage these assets from an energy perspective. And that's just it's a big opportunity lost for most customers. So when we think about the opportunity that's lost in the industrial space, with the data that we have over the last 15, 20 years, it's clear to us that on big industrial assets such as refrigeration plants or thermal plants, you can easily save 15 to 20% just by focusing on the energy. There's even more savings on the table, but the low-level savings, or let's say the low-hanging fruit, is between 15 and 20%. And then depending on the complexity of your sites, there can always be a bit more that you can save.